Okay, I need to let you know this right now, that today, you can do this the super easy way, okay? Or you can do it the way I'm asking you to. And the reason why I will really want you to do the way I'm asking you is because tomorrow it's going to get a lot harder. But if you do it the way I ask you to today, it will be a lot easier tomorrow. Okay? So please, write it out. Think about it the way I'm asking you to think about it. It will help you out so much. Okay? Cool. The first letter of the password is F. All right, so when you are doing linear expressions, you may have to add or subtract. And what I mean is that you're going to have graphs, equations of graphs later on, and you may have to do things to them, like adding them or subtracting them, and they'll be in this format. And then pretty much, it's pretty self-explanatory a little bit after I kind of, again, not self-explanatory, I have to explain it to you, but you'll see, and it's not too bad. First thing you always do is check to see if you need to distribute anything to, so if there's anything in front here. The only thing that's in front are an invisible 1, and anything times invisible. 1 isn't changed. So there's nothing really there to distribute. So you could just do 2x minus 17 plus x minus 20. Okay, and then you do what I said before, and that's to identify your like terms. The next letter is I, so F, then I. Hopefully we're old pros at this. Old pro. After you identify your like terms, then you collect. Combined. Oh, collect, sorry.
Your like terms.
Your like terms.
Okay, and then you combine your like terms. Remember, this is an invisible 1 in front of the x. So 2x plus 1x is 3x. And negative 20 minus 17, well, they're both negative, so the answer is going to be negative. And 20 and 17 make 37.
Oh, that's not too bad.
So that's my answer.
Next letter of the password is R.
Not too bad. Now, we'll get a little tricky today when we have a minus instead of a plus. So, do what you did before. Say, okay, is there any numbers that's being distributed? Well, just a 1 and then a minus 1, and that changes things. So, a normal 1, you multiply it, everything inside stays the same. 5x minus 7y. But when it's a minus 1, what's minus 1 times minus 3x? Well, it's a plus 3x. Okay. And what's a minus 1 times a positive 2x? Well, it's a minus
X.
2.
Can you fix that?
Why is there an x there? That should be a y.
Should be.
Sorry, my bad.
Yeah, it is. You're bad, Mr. Schneider. You're bad.
Minus 2y. And now I've simplified it. Now I can do what I did before. I identify my like terms.
Nice, okay.
Now that I've identified my like terms,
you collect your like terms.
I collect my like terms. X's come before Y in the alphabet. After I've collected my like terms, my last step is to combine my like terms. 5x and 3x are 8x. Negative 7y minus 2y is a minus 9y. And that's my answer.
That's not too bad.
Okay. Cool.
And the last letter of the password is E, so F-I-R-E. Okay?